So what we're not going to do is we are not going to make a circle of salt outside because it's not healthy for the earth and it's 2025 and we know that. What we are going to do is cast a circle like a lazy witch, and I'm going to show you some options today on 31 days of lazy witch tips. So let's quickly talk about why witches cast circles. So we cast circles to put a layer of protection over our energy. So I'm going to show you some tools that I'm going to be using for this and that I feel like help me out a lot as a lazy witch. First, I have a tray. It's just an aluminum tray. It's nothing fancy at all. I also have these candles that are battery operated candles. I also have this plate, which is an altar plate. It actually has all of the elements on there. And I also have my elemental jars. Basically, I have a jar for each of the elements. And I also have tea light candles and I have some salt here. So I'm going to show you some stuff. So if you really wanted to cast a circle outside, I would recommend using something that is not going to hurt the earth and it's going to be safe for you. So for instance, these are some battery operated tea light candles. I actually have a few different battery operated candles. I've shown some of them to you guys before. You'll see some more. And it's just something that I have in my arsenal because I feel like they're super convenient. If they go out, I just need to change the battery and they're super safe. So it's definitely a go-to for me. These are also pretty decent size. I'll put a regular tea light candle in the middle so you can kind of see the size difference. It is a bit bigger, but it's still small enough to travel. These are elemental spell jars that I made, and they each represent the elements, including the element of spirit. And I do have them available in my shop. I travel with these all the time. So I've taken them on planes, I've taken them on road trips. They've gone many places with me. When I go somewhere, I usually set up a travel altar, and these are a big part of that. So just using the tea light candle so you can see a size comparison is an altar plate. It's another item that I've made that's available in my shop, and basically it allows me to have a circle anywhere. And I do a lot of spell workings on this plate. For instance, putting the tea light candle on this plate also give you an idea of the size of it. And we have all of the elements going around the pentacle, which the pentacle is a symbol of protection as well. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you how I use this tray to make a circle. I would use an item, for instance, right now I'm using a teacup, and then I'm going to take my salt and I'm actually going to pour it all over. Pour the salt all over, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the teacup. And this is where I would be doing my working within this salt circle. I hope this helps, guys, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.